Or tell me about yourself. Short description of yourself.
I'm a Filipino, a smart pala. Luisito Lobo from Taguig, Taguig, Taguig City.
So how old are you, Mr. Dionisito?
I'm 39 years old. This coming April 3, I'm 40 years.
Okay.
I'm a company driver, and others, there are factory workers and as a security guard. Jeepney drivers, they have also.
I'm sorry, Mr. Dionisito.
Yes.
How many children do you have?
Yeah. But now, the one children, but it's my adopted.
Ah, okay. So
Yes.
you have an adopted child.
Yes.
Boy or girl?
Girl.
So why do you want this job, or why did you apply for this job?
Or sometimes I'm interested and so for moving to another country for more experience.
So can you tell us, your experiences from your previous employer, previous jobs? So what are your experiences?
From now, I'm work from Fortune Tobacco since 2009 and until this year. Yes, correct.
Okay, so what was your position?
Driver messengers.
Driver, messengers, and
From this company, I am a driver and messengers only.
so what specifically, a type of vehicle you are driving?
From motorcycle, four wheels, six wheelers, 10 wheelers. So, my license is 123.
So have you ever been a caretaker also?
Uh, no, pero we must but may a simple job, yeah.
So it's more on driving. Your
Driving, yes.
experience is more on driving. So as a driver, based on your experiences, have you ever encountered a difficult situation? And then how did you overcome it?
From my driving,
Oh yes, from
uh,
your driving experiences.
more sabi
So
yung
any difficult situations that you encounter?
for my driving from this companies, this companies, no incident from me, only from the good situation
Okay.
from my job driving.
Leon Isito, who are your usual passengers in Fortune Tobacco?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so who are your usual passengers?
All all employees when this is a shuttle service
Okay.
from
So you're a shuttle
office to
driver.
yes
Ah, I see.
bus service.
What was your regular time, official time?
From now 8 to 7 pero
8
there
a.m. to 7 p.m.
yes 8 a.m. from 7 a.m. but there's many overtime every day every night.
So there are lots of overtime.
Yes, there's a lot.
So you're only driving for the employees of the company. How about the executive
Positions.
Yeah, for the executive positions, like let's say the
Managers.
yeah, the managers. Were you able to drive these people?
Not yet, ma'am. Pero But my position, they have a treasury from bank to bank.
So more on
Bank.
So more on employees.
Yes,
As
from
a-
now.
employees.
From now. I went to bank to bank.
Do you have any experience working in let's say, it's like a family driver?
No, sir, ma'am. I'm a jeepney driver.
Okay, so more now, let's say company driver.
Yes,
And then
from now.
public, no passengers.
For public pa, ano, from Punta Quiapo, public passenger,
So
PUG.
public passengers.
Yes, public
PUG.
utility jeep. Yes, ma'am. I'm a public utility jeepney driver from 2007, from 2009.
So do you have any experience as a gardening or household or maintaining the house, etc.? So do you have any experience like that?
From Manila, no experience because I'm focused on my driving,
So more on driving.
Yes.
So you don't have any experience in gardening
learning.
and maintaining
But-
the house.
But from work gardening is simply working.
But you can do gardening.
Yes, I want to.
And then maintaining the house.
Oh, yes.
So you know how to install, for example, electrical wirings inside the house, doing plumbing.
Yes, sometimes when I'm troubleshooting from my house, I'm work. I install the electrical difference from troubleshooting.
So Mr. Unisito, so this is the last question.
Yes.
So why do you think, why should we hire you?
They have my experience, and I'm willing to job to the other country.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.